After logging in, members are able to view the next meeting agenda by clicking on the Meeting Agendas link in the Members Only menu. This will take you to the most current uploaded agenda for our next scheduled meeting. The date of the meeting will show just below the banner headline of the page. Please note the question asking whether or not you are planning to attend the meeting. The default selection is yes, but selecting uncertain yes or no will help our leaders know what the attendance will be in general. To see a list of the most recently posted agendas, both past and future, for the current 3-month period or so, click on the down arrow next to the View Another Agenda item. This will open a drop-down list allowing you to click the date of the agenda you wish to see. If you want to see a list of all the currently saved meeting agendas, check the box next to the List All Agendas item, and then click the down arrow next to the View Another Agenda item. You can also step through the previous and future agendas by clicking on the left or right arrows next to the View Another Agenda item in the upper left of the agenda window. Members can also email a copy of the agenda currently shown on your screen by clicking on the little envelope icon seen in the upper right portion of the agenda window. Users can ignore the note window that appears next. You have the choice of clicking on the Do Not Show This Again button and/or just the Close button, but for now, just click the Close button. The Send Meeting Agenda via Email window appears. The default setting for this event have already been set so that the email will be sent to all currently listed members of Foothill Toastmasters. You have the option of typing in a custom message in the space provided. This will appear at the top of the email sent to the members above the copy of the weekly agenda. When ready to send the email, click on the Send Email button on the lower right. After a brief moment, you may see a message that the email was not sent to certain members due to the fact that they have specifically opted out from receiving agenda emails. Go ahead and clear that message. The system will take over sending out the email and inform you when the process is complete. If at any time before clicking the Send Email button you wish to back out of the process, simply click on the Close button in the lower right. Members are highly encouraged to print out a copy of the current agenda and bring it with them to the meeting for their own reference. The member assigned as Toastmaster for the current week is also highly encouraged to print out enough copies of the agenda for all members planning to attend. Most members are not in the habit of printing out their own copies, so the Toastmaster should take on the responsibility of making sure everyone has a copy. To print the current agenda shown on the screen, click on the little printer icon seen in the upper right of the agenda window. As before, you can ignore the note message that appears by clicking the Close button. This will take you to the Print Meeting Agenda instruction box. To cancel the print sequence, click on the Cancel button in the lower right, or accept the default selections that are shown by clicking the OK button. You may see a view of the agenda to be printed appear in a separate browser tab. Your particular computer's printer sequence will start. Set your printer preferences as you would normally for printing any other documents. It is recommended that you make sure to print on both sides of the page in order to save on paper. After your copies have printed, you may close the browser tab showing the agenda. This should return you to the Meeting Agenda tab in your browser. From here, you can make another selection from either the main menu or the Members Only menu, or log out by clicking the Log Out as Your Name button that appears in the Login section to the left.